In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a VoiceThread assignment within your Moodle course. As you can see, I have a blank Moodle course, so you can follow along with exactly what I'm doing. The first thing I'm going to do is to turn on editing. Once editing is on, go to whatever topic or section that you would like to add your VoiceThread and click Add an Activity or Resource. Under Activities, choose External Tool and then click Add. Give this a name. I'm just going to call it VoiceThread Example. Under Pre-Configured Tool, choose VoiceThread, and then you can click Show More. You can tick this option if you want to display the description on the course page. If you type something there, we typically don't encourage that. Then you can go down to Grade, and here's where you can change the points if you wish, or you can, if you use categories, weighted grades, then you can put your VoiceThread in a category if you want to do that. Now I'm just going to click Save and Display. And so now I've configured the link within Moodle. So now, but I haven't put anything in the VoiceThread content. So now I just click Open in New Window. And now I'm taken to the VoiceThread Setup page. And so here I'm just, again, configuring the link. And so I'm going to, if I wanted the students to just watch a VoiceThread, and I wasn't grading them on anything, then I would just click an individual VoiceThread. But typically here you're going to choose Assignment Builder. Once you click that, then you're taken to this screen where it says select a type of assignment. If you want your students to create a VoiceThread, then you would choose this. There's a difference between a VoiceThread and a VoiceThread comment. A VoiceThread is its very own entity, whereas a comment is just threaded like a forum post, so to speak. If you wanted to have your students watch a VoiceThread and you were ensuring that they watched the whole thing, and for some sort of participation grade, you would choose this option. But typically you're going to choose Submit a Comment. So when you select that, and then you're prompted to choose a VoiceThread, but you don't want to do that. You want to choose, unless there's one you've made in the past, but I'm just going to click Create a New VoiceThread. And here you can just drag files. You can drag a PowerPoint if you want to do that. I'm just going to click Add Media, and I'm going to click Webcam Video just to show you this process. And so you see the countdown, and now here's where you can tell your students what you want them to do. You can say, I want you to discuss the meaning of life in 2 minutes or less and respond to 2 other classmates' posts. So I end my recording there. VoiceThread starts to save this. And now here's where you can, so I click Save. I'm going to give this a title. Once you have your title and description in set, then you can go to Playback Options, and this is where you will choose what options you want to be available to your students. So make sure that Enable Threaded Commenting is ticked. If you want to allow your students to download your media, then you can click this. You can tick this option. If you want students to not be able to see each other's comments, then you can enable comment moderation. Now, since I want my students to leave a video comment, I've deselected microphone and telephone and text, so they can only use their webcam or a file upload. If you want to limit comment length, that like here, I'm going to do 2 minutes. That way students don't go too long. And I'm just going to click Save. And so now I've got that taken care of. And now I'm going to just simply click Create Assignment. And here give instructions and you can set the number of comments that are required. And then deselect this, allow students to resubmit assignment. They can record as many times as they want, but they can only submit it once, or that's what I typically encourage instructors to do. And so now I'm going to click Create Assignment. So I'm going to close out of this tab. I'm just going to go back out to the course. Now when you click this, then you'll see the instructions, which was the last thing I did there when you click Create an Assignment. That's what shows up right here. Here's the link to the VoiceThread, and they click that and click play, and they will be able to see your comment or what you've left them. If you've left them a video or if you put a PowerPoint, that would be there. And then when students comment, their comments will show up just right here. So this is a quick video on how to create a VoiceThread assignment within Moodle.